Mind and Body Wellness Project is under evaluation with Swansea University, and this program is running successfully in Caerphilly, Blaenau and Newport. Mind and Body Wellness Program is aiming to support not only our patients but also our NHS staff. Along with my team, we are regularly facilitating sessions for our healthcare professionals in Esther Hospital and Cardiff and Vale Health Board. We have also done various sessions for psychological health practitioners, dental consultants, and recently for GP trainees as a part of their Wellbeing Day. The testimonials of individuals who have benefited from these sessions speaks volumes and shows dramatic positive difference, and the ripple effects are powerful as well. Thank you.
I'm Rabia. I'm one of the GP trainees, and we had this session today with Dr. Kaur and her team. It was really, really nice and relaxing. When we started at the beginning, I was quite stressed. Not stressed about the session, of course, but stressed about my own things. Just going through a job hunt at the moment, which is quite stressful. I'm an MG, and if I do not get a job in the next 4 months, I might have to go back. So a lot of things were there on my mind in the beginning. But when I started following the instructions about how to relax my muscles, my shoulders, and deep breathing in and out, I think I did not follow the command very clearly, probably because of the stress that was in my mind. But then gradually, as it kept going on and on and on, I think I started taking it more seriously, and I was able to relax my shoulders, and I was able to feel each and every part of my body in a much better way. And that somehow I just felt that it just took all my attention away from the stress in my mind, and then my mind was able to relax much, much, much better. I did feel by the end of the whole about more than an hour's session that my shoulders, which were quite under a lot of stress, which I did not realize before, they were quite relaxed, and now I feel more happier. Going home, I think, it's brilliant to do yoga and meditation. I haven't done it very recently. I have done it in the past just a couple of times on my own, but I just felt that professional help and all sort of uh, supervision can be a bit more helpful in the beginning, and then maybe we can go on and try it on our own. Yeah. Thank you very much for all the help and the guidance today, Dr. Go.
So it's quite interesting sort of working as a doctor, thinking about offering things like breathing techniques and things to patients, but I guess I hadn't ever really considered that using these sort of techniques as a member of staff and kind of, in healthy individuals can also be really beneficial. It was really interesting to learn about different techniques that can be used at different points in the day, so sort of energizing breathing techniques, good for in the morning or sort of at lunchtime when you're in the middle of your surgery and you need a bit of a pick-me-up. And then also breathing techniques to help with sort of relaxation and sleep, which I think, can be a really big thing for people when they're feeling stressed with work, getting home, trying to get off to sleep, and it kind of ticking around in their mind. So a couple of like different things that perhaps we'll try and build into the day when I'm working sort of day to day in general practice. No, I found it really, really useful. And just actually like seeing the benefits and trying it out. I think initially people can be a bit skeptical and a bit sort of apprehensive about, oh gosh, am I going to look silly? But then actually just relaxing as a group and kind of enjoying it and feeling the benefit makes you want to go forward and I guess try doing it some more really. So I'm going to try and build it into a bit of day-to-day life, I think.
It was an excellent session today. I think the trainees really enjoyed learning about different breathing techniques, learning about mindfulness, and not only how we can apply that to patient care, but also how they can apply it to their own well-being and hopefully deal with stresses of work and life a little bit better and develop more resilience in their work and their world.
Yeah, no, really enjoyed this afternoon's session. We were running a whole day well-being course for GP specialist trainees, trying to provide them with some skills and some quick tips from the experts. I also took part and loved doing laughter yoga, loved doing relaxation, learning about breathing techniques and chair yoga. And yeah, came away feeling relaxed and chilled in spite of being one of the hosts for the day. and I could generally feel the vibe in the room was enormously positive. So thank you.
I would highly recommend the Breath to Health workshops through Thriving Communities and the Mind and Body Wellness Programme. I've personally learned through these workshops ways to breathe that have significantly reduced my overwhelming anxiety, therefore giving me calm, gratitude, awareness and much needed hope. With the daily practices that I learned, I've been able to reduce my overthinking and my negative thought processes, giving my mind and body a well-needed respite. I can only thank Dr. Manmeet and her team for teaching me these tools, and I look forward to the next Breath to Health workshop. Thank you.